Hey everybody, looks like it's time for science again. Today's lesson's learning target is I can learn about and observe 9 white substances that might make up the mystery mixture. By the end of today's lesson or video, you should be able to answer these 3 check questions. Number 1, what is a chemical name? Number 2, what is a chemical formula? And number 3, what page can I find white substance information on in my textbook? Please try to answer those questions at the end of this video and you'll be ready for the lab. A substance is a form of matter. There are millions of different substances on Earth. Each substance is different from every other substance. This is a set of 9 vials containing white substances. Each vial has a different pure substance. There are no mixtures in these vials. 2 of these substances are the mystery mixture. I don't know which 2 they are. Your job is to try to figure it out. Each group today will have a set of white substances just like this to work with. Your first task will be to observe the 9 substances to become familiar with their names and properties. So this is what one of your vials looks like. It's got a blue cap. Please leave it closed today. Don't open them up. And on it you're going to see a label on your vial, and it looks very similar to the label you see on the screen right here. The first name on the top says calcium carbonate. This is what we call a chemical name. This talks about the chemicals in the substance. The second one is the common name. The common name for calcium carbonate is chalk. And third, at the bottom, is the chemical formula. The chemical formula tells the actual elements that make up the chemical that you're dealing with. So calcium carbonate is made of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. So those chemical formulas are atoms, substances found on the periodic table. Today's activity will be for you to observe each vial, look at each label, and record some information on page 9 of your notebook. And it looks like this. This is page 9 first. Your job is to write in the chemical name of each chemical on the vial. Write down the chemical formula for each one and the common name. In this section you'll record observations. Remember yesterday we talked about quantitative and qualitative observations. Include 2 or 3 for each one. And the last column is the uses column. In your Brown chemistry textbook, it looks like this. It says chemical interactions on the side. If you turn to page 97 in the book, from page 97 through page 101 are write-ups about each chemical. So you should read this and then record the uses for each in your notebook. You want to look for patterns in the chemical names and chemical formulas for the substances. What do you see is a comprehension question at the end of your notebook page. So here we are back to our original page. See if you can answer these 3 check questions. What is a chemical name? What is the chemical formula? And what page can I find white substance information on?